Oh, get out of here. There's no way this was that easy. And it looks so good. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we have a brand new inches from LUVME hair. I think this is gonna look so good. I can already see it now. You may have noticed I recently lightened my hair, so this is gonna give me that black, which I think is gonna look so good. So this is definitely a summer style. If you're looking for like a curly unit that you can just kind of throw on and go, this one actually came pre-cut. The lace is beautiful. I am gonna use just a little bit of lace tint on this, and I think that's honestly all I'm gonna have to do. This is a lace front wig, but what I love the most is that it has the drawstring. So this really allows you to get that snug fit without really having to fiddle with like glue, tape, all the extra stuff. In theory, I should really just be able to put this on, put a little bit of mousse, and go, which is my favorite style of wig to wear. Around the wig, we do have a few combs, which just make it convenient and easy for a snug fit. And the lace has a pretty good circumference, so I could definitely change the part if I want to. That I really like about the hair. I also have noticed that LUVME has had these really nice breathable caps, which is great for summer because nobody wants a hot head. I definitely sweat from my head, so I love that this cap is breathable. Like I can literally see my fingers poking through it, so it's going to allow a lot of airflow. This curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I feel like this is going to look so good. I like that it's not too curly. It feels a little bit like something in between a loose deep wave and a bohemian curly. I'm looking at the website and they've called this the fluffy curly, which is such a good description, and I actually love the fluffiness. Personally, for me, that's my favorite way to wear my hair curly. I would like to call it like a pillow soft look where it's just a little bit fluffy, a little bit like of movement in the hair. So let's go ahead and put this on. I think this is gonna look so good. I can't wait to show you guys the finished result. Oh, and if you didn't notice, she is long. I might put a different top on just so that you can really see. Okay, we're in the bathroom. I think this is definitely a better place to film because it just feels more fresh. It feels more like you're just here with me. And this is really where I like to get ready anyway. To start off this install, I'm just gonna throw my wig cap on. We're gonna tuck all my hair away. We're gonna use the Ebin lace tint. I always use this one in light warm brown, but I use it sparingly. The lace is transparent for sure. I think it's gonna melt nicely, but I do feel like it needs to be tinted. I don't think I could get away with not tinting this lace. So let's do this. Now that I've tinted it, this is how it looks. I think this is gonna blend much better. Oh yeah, you can already see that's gonna blend so good. I usually do wear my curly hair to the side, so we'll see, but I think I'm gonna try to keep it a middle part just for the sake of it. Okay, so moment of truth, let's go ahead and put her on. Oh, get out of here. There's no way this was that easy. And it looks so good. Stop. This is my favorite type of wig. This is my favorite type of wig because I literally just put it on and she looks so good. Even the sides, like, this is what really shocks me because even the sides are sitting so nicely. What I like about LUVME wigs is that every wig that I've gotten, like the construction has been so good to the point where it's like, I don't really need to do much customization. I know that it's just gonna pretty much be something I can throw on and go. I have a wig closet, I will show you that later. And all the wigs in there, like I put them on a hanger nicely and I can literally just pop them on my head when I want to film a video. Boom, hair done. This is definitely feeling like summertime. I love how she looks. I'm just getting it a little closer so you guys can see the lace. Lace looks really good. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, I'm so lazy. I just tuck this in, but I think I'm gonna go get my lace tape that I have. Sometimes in your package, LUVME will send you like little goodies. So sometimes you get lucky and you get lace tape, and I think I got lace tape with this one. So I'm gonna put a little lace tape right here and just glue down those ear tabs. And then that way I don't have to do anything to this wig, which will be amazing. I was talking about free goodies. So they sent me a wig cap and a band, like a replaceable band, which is nice, but I actually have some lace tape from a previous install. I don't want a wig that is going to take me longer to put on than what it would take for me to do my hair. The whole point of a wig is convenience and effortlessness. So for me, it does truly need to check those boxes. I'm going to stick this tape right here, like so. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a second before I go ahead and like adhere it. So it comes like this. You're going to peel off one side, stick that side to your lace, and then the other side you're gonna peel off and stick to your head. And while that sits, because I don't want to peel it off just yet, naturally you would have baby hairs here. So I'm just cutting off some hair just right in these sides here. This is something I recently started doing with my wigs, but I feel like it actually makes such a difference. You could go in and do just a little bit in here in the front. I like to make sure my wig is sitting exactly how I want it and do the trick to make sure your part is straight. So my part is not straight. You should check from the middle of your nose. That's how you'll know that your part is straight. Okay, so now that looks good. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this off and she'll be done, basically. Make sure that you stick her where you want her because once this is on, she's not really gonna move. But look at that. Like, it's giving scalp just simply by sticking her on. And I love how secure wig tape feels. I have become a wig tape fan. I used to not like it, and then I learned how to use it. And I was like, wait, this is actually so much better than anything else you could do. Because at the end of the day, I'm the type of person who I want to take my wig off at the end of the night. I'm not leaving her on. I'm not doing the full lace situation to last me days and days and days. This is perfect for everyday wear. So just take a few minutes, press her down. The hairline looks really good on this one. Okay, we're back with a little bit of different lighting. I switched my camera. This will allow you to see different camera versions, different lighting. So maybe that's a good thing. I can't get over how this hair looks. Like, I think this camera shows it a bit brighter, so maybe you're seeing a better perspective. I don't know. I put a little liquid mousse on the perimeter of my lace. The lace was just like not sitting super flush, so this did help. I like to dip my brush into here and just like press it along the edges of the lace, and now I just have my lace band on. I'm gonna leave this on for a few minutes. In the meantime, I love how this hair looks, but let's just wet it for the sake of it. I really like this curl pattern. I think this is one of my favorites that I've tried so far from LuvMe. I tried the Bohemian curly and it was really beautiful, but this to me is just more my style. I like the fluffiness, I think. I do really like big hair. And this curl feels a little bit less kinky, a little bit softer. This is how the hair looks. Really pretty. And I didn't put any product in it. Let's take off this band to see what she really is giving. Oh, she's giving scalp. Scalp. She's giving scalp. Wow, this is a really good one, y'all. I don't know about you, but I feel like this is just my hair. Like, I woke up like this. Let me not be annoying. I can't sing, so I'm not even gonna try, but the lace is looking really good. I love that it just stuck down with this ear tape. Ugh, so good. This is the key to actually making your curls pop. You gotta brush them under. It like really helps them to look extra curled. See how they like curl up like that? That is the key. Okay, I really love how this hair turned out. I'm actually gonna go run outside quickly and take some photos for golden hour because the sun is hitting right now. But let me know what you guys think of this hair, and I'll leave all of the discount codes and links and everything like that in the description bar.